Hey guys, my name is Nikunj and welcome back to the channel. So on my channel so far, I've taken a look at multiple true wireless earbuds at different price categories. Recently, I checked out 3 which were under 1000, which I call the extreme budget category. While checking those out, I did mention that for me, the budget category lies somewhere between 1500 and 2500 rupees. So today we have a contender in this price bracket, the budget category as I call it. And that is a product from Boult Audio, the Airbass Propods. I got these from Amazon for 1800 rupees. These are frequently on sale. You can check them out using the link in the description. And without any further waiting, let's go ahead, unbox these and see what we have. Okay, so this is the little box that these come in, and nothing as such on any of these sides. If we flip the box over, we do have some information about the wireless earbuds themselves. So 24-hour playtime, they have instant wake up and pair. It is compatible with Google voice command. It has noise cancellation, so that is something which is really nice to see in this price bracket. Bluetooth 5.0 with auto pairing, call and music controls on the earbuds themselves. Again, very nice. Both the earbuds can be used individually as masters. That is also really good. And we also have stereo calling and a mic. I'm not 100% sure what that is. I believe it's just talking about the inbuilt mic so that you can use it on phone calls. I don't think it's anything else. So let's quickly go ahead and open these seals. 1 and a 2. And let's just take this out. Finally, here we go. Okay, so right at the top, I believe we have some paperwork, your warranty card right here, the user manual, and the product catalog for Boult Audio. Pretty extensive catalog. I've seen other products from them as well in the past. Let's keep this aside. We have the earbuds right here. Okay, the charging case and the earbuds right inside the charging case. So let's keep this aside and see what we have in this small accessory box right here. Okay, one USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. And these are ear tips, medium, or what are installed in here, I believe. Yep, we have the mediums installed. And we might have the large and the small here. So yeah, we have 4 in this, so large and small. Keeping these aside now, this is the box that we have, the charging case. Small, but kind of thick. I don't think you'd be able to fit this in the top pocket of your jeans if that's something that you want. USB Type-C charging, which is really nice at this price. Boult Audio branding right in the middle, and small LED lights, 4 of them, indicating the charge that the charging case itself is holding. If we open this up, we have the earbuds themselves. The hinge is really nice. You open it, it does stay in place, and a pretty satisfying snap. Talking about these, fairly large lobe right here that rests in your ear. These are in-ear style, as you guys can see. And we have one mic here and the charging pins at the bottom. So nothing special about this. The stem though, that is really small. Again, something really good, slim and short stems. No grills as such. No, we do have a grill over here. I believe this is something that would help in the noise cancellation that these are rated for. But otherwise, decent size, not a lot of weight, so that's good. Okay, let's go ahead and get these in the box and I'll check how we can pair them. Okay, so I've been using these for about 15 minutes now. Getting them connected to my phone was kind of a chore. I had to go through the user manual for that. Since this charging case that we have does not have any dedicated button to get them into pairing mode or to power them on, you need to make sure that the case is charged and switch the Bluetooth on your phone, open the flap, and they should appear in the list that you get whenever you're pairing a new device. If you do not get that, take the earbuds out, press on their stem or touch on their stem, hold for 3 seconds, make sure that they get powered on, they pair with each other, and then you can go ahead and pair them with your phone or any other device that you're trying to get them connected to. Second thing, they do not have wear detect. So while listening to music, if you pull them out, the music is not going to pause automatically. So again, that is one thing that you guys need to keep in mind. Considering these are from the budget category, I think I'll let that slide to some extent. Majority of the options that you get in this price category do not have any sensor for wear detect whatsoever. Third thing, the fit is not very secure. I'm not really sure why that is, but with the mediums which are currently installed on these, they do not create a very secure fit in your ear. With an in-ear style, the normal expectation is that it would create some sort of noise isolation. I did not find that whatsoever. And when you put them in, even if you try and make sure that they're all the way in, you move around a little bit, it feels as if they are slipping out. And it's very easy actually, to pull these out of your ear. So because of that, or probably because of this big lobe that we have, to which the ear tips are attached, the feel or the fit is not that good. So let me go ahead and listen to some music, and I'll tell you a little more about the sound profile. First impressions though, I'm not really happy with them. They do say extra bass on the box, but the bass is kind of lacking. I'll quickly go ahead and check the instructions again to see if there's any specific way I can go ahead and activate that bass mode. Okay, so regarding the sound profile, still the bass is kind of lacking. I was not able to find any way on the earbuds using the touch control or anything else to activate a dedicated sound profile or an extended bass mode or any sort of setting that can help me boost the bass a little bit. The overall sound profile is nice. The bass is kind of lacking. However, the separation between the highs and the mids is very, very good. When it comes to vocals, the vocals are absolutely clear. Any instrumental piece that you're listening to, you would be able to identify each and every instrument very easily, whether even, if it's like in a symphony. Again, they say extra bass on the box itself, but that is one thing that's lacking as far as the sound profile is concerned. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with that. Talking about the touch controls now. So a single tap on either of the earbuds does absolutely nothing, which in a way I think is a good thing, because there are a lot of times when you accidentally touch your earbuds, activating that touch control even when you did not mean to. So double tap on the right or the left will play and pause your music. That's a good one. Triple tap on the right would take you to the next track. Triple tap on the left would bring you back to the previous one. And long press on the right for about 5 seconds or so will increase the volume. Long press on the left would decrease the volume. So overall, it's a decent package, I believe, for the price point. If I talk about 1800, definitely decent. You can certainly go ahead and check these out. Okay, so before we go, I'll just quickly list down the positives and the negatives that I found in these. First and foremost, the sound profile is okay, it's decent. There's good separation between the highs and the mids. You'd be able to hear the vocals of your songs very, very easily and very clearly. So that's definitely a plus. It has Type-C charging. So that's a definite plus in this day and age where all your phones, or at least most of your phones, aside from iPhones, of course, have a Type-C connection for charging. You just need to charge with one cable, both your devices, boom, you're set. Talking about the negatives, no dedicated button on the charging case to get them into pairing mode or to power them on is a kind of a bummer. Makes the pairing process or switching from one device to the other kind of cumbersome. So again, take that with a grain of salt. Although the pairing process, once you get used to it, is not very challenging, but yeah, it does get a little getting used to. So keep that in mind. Secondly, though it says extra bass right on the box, let me show you. Right here it says extra bass, but again, bass is one thing when it comes to the sound profile that is kind of lacking. I did try and use the equalizer in Amazon Music to set the bass a little higher, but no, even with profiles or presets for heavy metal, for hip-hop music, I was really craving for that bass to hit me hard. It wasn't there. Lastly, it's the fit. So as I mentioned, that with the mediums installed, the fit was not really secure. There was the noise isolation that you get with in-ear style earbuds was kind of lacking. I changed the earbuds or the ear tips to small ones and it was still kind of the same. While walking, when I was listening to music with these on, I felt as if they're kind of slipping away from my ear. I'm not sure whether that was actually happening or it just felt like that, but yeah, no proper noise isolation. If you're listening to music at maybe 70 or 60% volume, you would still be able to hear your surroundings because that noise isolation is not there. So the fit is kind of hit or miss at times, even with the small ear tips. Again, please keep that in mind. So having said all of that, let me know what you guys think. If this is something that you would want to buy, if this is something you've already bought, if you have any questions about these, let me know in the comments below. And until next time, take care of yourself and stay safe.